So when you get an order, one of the things you'll see right here is on our under WooCommerce status is that there's an order awaiting processing. If you come over here to WooCommerce, you'll also see there's a notification right here next to orders right here. Products is where the product catalog and all of that is, and this is where all your products are, and this is where you can go add products and edit the current products that are in there as well as product categories and stuff. This is the actual WooCommerce system itself. And to check the orders, we're going to go ahead and come on over and click on orders. And then you're going to see we have an order number right here. And we'll see that our order is currently processing. There's one item purchased and where it's being shipped to. The total is 0 because I used a coupon that gave me a 100% discount to go ahead and put the order through so I could use it as an example. Over here we're going to see some actions. I can click on this and that will mark the order as completed automatically. I can click on this to view the order. I also have the option of a PDF invoice and a PDF packing slip. And so I also have shortcuts to these inside the actual order. So I'm going to go ahead and come inside the order and show you what those are as well. So I'm going to click on the order number. That's going to open up the order. I'm going to go ahead and see now all the details of the order. The order status is processing. The carrier is USPS. It's being shipped to this address. That's the billing address right there. Scroll further down, I've got the invoice number, the invoice date, the items that were purchased. And you'll see right here it says coupon used. I used a coupon called test order, which gave me a 100% cart discount and also gave me free shipping. So that's why you see this. The order actually has a zero balance right there. Otherwise, they would have been switched over to PayPal, and that's something that we need to note here right underneath order notes. When a person successfully completes an order from PayPal and they come back from PayPal back to your site, underneath here, in addition to this where it says order status changed from pending payment to processing, there will also be a transaction ID from PayPal. So if you do not see a transaction ID from PayPal listed here under order notes, it'll say payment completed, transaction ID. If you don't see that, you need to go into PayPal and see if the payment went through. If not, then don't go ahead and complete the order. You'll want to contact the individual and let them know that their payment did not go through. So, and also if a person gets over to PayPal and cancels the order, they will come back to the site and this will show as a canceled order in here. So they can come back at a later time and put their information again and log back in using the information they have, and they can go ahead and complete that order if they want to. So anyway, to go ahead and change an order status from processing, here you have actions, and this is to resend emails out is what this is. There are emails sent out for each of these things, and these are what the actions over here are, and you can select one of those and then go ahead and click that, and it will go ahead and send that email out. But to change the order status, you come down here, and I would come over here and change that order status to completed, and then go ahead and click save order, and now the order is going to go ahead and be marked as completed. And over here, I'm going to come down a little further over here. You'll see where it says create PDF, and these are what I pointed out a little bit earlier over here. Oops, sorry. Open this up right here. Right over here, PDF invoice and PDF packing slip. You can see those right there, and that's exactly what these are too. And so I'm going to show you what happens when I click this. I get an invoice, a PDF invoice that's created, and I could save the file to my desktop or I can open it. I'm going to go ahead and open it. So you'll see it has an invoice right here that you can go ahead and print and go ahead and add to the package if you want to, or if you just want to use a packing slip that doesn't list prices or anything like that on it, you can go ahead and click on this packing slip. Sorry, let's go ahead and click that again. Go ahead and click on packing slip and open with Adobe Acrobat. There we go. And here we go. Now you can see that this just has a packing slip and it doesn't list any type of prices or anything like that. It just lists what's supposed to be packaged in the packing slip. So you have your option of what you want to package, whether it's an invoice or just a packing slip with no prices on there. And you can also take and create these. This will just create a PDF that you can go ahead and save anywhere on your desktop and just attach it to an email to go ahead and send it out. If they'll get get an invoice through the email that'll go ahead and let them know about their order and stuff, and give them all the details. But if for some reason you need to email them one of these, you can go ahead and email them as well. But these are primarily designed to go ahead and be printed out and added to the order. And as you can see, these do the exact same thing. They just generate the invoice, or they generate the packing slip right there. So anyway, that is where you find and process orders. If you have any other questions, just let us know. In the next video, we're going to go over how to edit products and how to add products to the system.